good.
Oh, cut one chicken.
Yeah. Sorry, Lan. We miss you. We missed you here today. Saan kaya yung kanilang food truck?
Ito?
Yeah, they got a new food truck. Masarap. We want to talk to your, we want to talk to the sales lady, sales people. But they're so busy. There's a lot of people inside. The weather is so nice. Kanya hang out muna kami dito. Sorry, Lan and Manny. We missed you. Maybe next time. Well, have some poke bowl. Thanks, Dad, for lunch. Bibili pa ako ng boy bawang. Hindi matigas, Dad. Hindi matigas yung boy bawang, malambot. Pagkaubos nito, babalik ako. The boba tea, so good too. I had the ano ba itong ginawa ko? I thought this is yours, lychee. This is mine. Mango, tapioca. This is mine. It's worth the travel. Mag-hangout muna kami dito sa tindahan mo kasi 4 o'clock pang check-in namin sa Hilton. Wala na kaming mga Sarap po, sarap. Tama lang sa atin yung isa kasi marami
Share na. Hindi masayang.
Yeah, tsaka
Hindi tayo bit-bitin.
yeah. Para tayong leftover. Para walang leftover kasi sayang. Ganda din ang neighborhood nila.